The soul of a Phipps community is multi-generational change, life-changing impact, changing perspective, opening up your mind to different possibilities.
I feel as if Ronay has had this incredible imprint on New York City in so many areas. I feel as if the Phipps connection is special.
Ronay's legacy is really built on the confluence of affordable housing and social services really wrapped together to provide a holistic model.
When Ronay speaks, it conveys volumes.
Ronay has a vast civic resume. She was deputy mayor in the Koch administration in 1977. She then joined the MTA board.
Since then, Ronay became a trustee in 1988. She became president of Phipps in 1993.
Phipps houses and Phipps Neighborhoods, providing the foundation that a family needs to survive. An affordable, well-stewarded, well-maintained apartment, and making sure that the community that surrounds that apartment has good schools, educational opportunity, access to career, access to thriving.
Ronay recognizes that education equals opportunity. In fact, it's really the ticket out of poverty. Ronay recognized that having a UPK center in one of her Phipps houses building was a no-brainer. It was really to think about parents and making sure that they have the resources literally downstairs where they live to drop their kids off, making sure that it's a safe environment for their kids and they move on and go to work to put food on the table for their families.
When I first met Ronay, I was a participant of Phipps Neighborhoods. I was working with them, and I remember that when I first graduated from college, I get a call from Ronay telling me that I see you doing something bigger than you can imagine. I was looking at just the present moment. She was looking at the future. She wanted to be a mentor.
I grew up in the Bronx in Phipps houses. I went to school in the Bronx. I've worked for Phipps Neighborhoods over 20 years. It's an endless number of individuals who have received an enormous amount of services.
For her, it's not just about the numbers. It's about the stories behind that number and the transformational change that is happening.
A specific example is Candace Watson.
I grew up in Phipps Lambert houses, so from a young girl when I was born, my mom was already living there, and as I continued to grow, I participated in a lot of the Phipps programs.
One of the programs was to establish the internship program with Bloomberg.
The opportunity at Bloomberg impacted my life because it was the start of my career. It was my first full-time job. We couldn't be more thankful and grateful for Ronay developing and creating this relationship between Bloomberg and Phipps. It was the best thing of my life.
Ronay's leadership truly redefined housing.
She's not just here and gone. She's not just pronouncing what she wants to do. She's really getting involved in the details of everything that we do.
I feel really optimistic in terms of where we're going and the foundation that we're laying in the Bronx. The foundation of quality, the foundation of understanding, the foundation of empathy, but more importantly, the foundation of support. Once those things are laid, there's nothing that's impossible for us to achieve as an organization.
Without the strength of character that Ronay brought to our work, I don't think as much would have been accomplished.
There's a bright future ahead for the organization, and I want to be part of that.